guys, and my friend and I just decided to go and grab breakfast at the 4th unit at San Pakalani. If you're ever around, you may want to check it out. It's a very chilled corner spot, coffee spot rather. And the service is really good. These guys are the ones who were serving or having some hot beverages and cinnamon rolls. I almost said plums, but still. This was my hot chocolate. My friend was having, what latte was that? Some kind of iced latte. I forgot what was that. So yeah, so we just grabbed that. I just felt like having something sweet that morning. But yeah, it's just a brief video just to add something that wasn't necessarily a part of my maintenance. So yeah. Oh, it was just me, marrying myself. Yep. Anyway, the following day, I think yes, I did go for my nails on a Tuesday. This is a maintenance vlog. In case I haven't mentioned it, I am so sorry for these portrait camera setups. I think I had not put my phone properly. So here and there you're gonna be seeing these. I'm kidding, at this point you won't be seeing any more of them. I think they were just at the beginning. Later on I just fixed the whole thing. Oh my god, this was me getting the tea from my hairdresser. That's how shabby my nails were. It was getting out of hand. So yes, this is her getting started. And I tell you, this girl, how long have I been with her though? I can't recall. It's been a while. She's really good at her job. Look at her nails looking better than mine. Anyway, child. So yeah, I'll put a link to her. I'll just write for you guys her Facebook channel. And if you do notice, you know there are bullies in life. And this one is my bully. So you're gonna see her listed in my camera now and then. But yeah, she was, catching me up on the tea. It's always a great time to catch up and stuff and tell each other stuff. Always feels like, those hangouts where, girls, nights out and slumber parties, it always feels that way. Look at what she's doing. She knows I'm trying to get a video. Oh, this girl. Yeah, so it was a hustle to get a video, guys. You see the people abusing us out there. Just, hey, I can't believe her. Like, am I gonna progress at some point, my sister? Do you want me to prosper at all? So yeah, that's what she was doing the entire time. She's such a fun lad to be around. And yes, she loves my nails and they like her too. Okay, if we're gonna be honest, I do too. So I was doing my toes and my fingers too. And this was me done with my fingers, and I was happy with the results. She had done something different. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do to my fingers, so she decided she'll help me think about that. So that was her suggested design. And then here we're just getting rid of the gel and then updating my toes too, because girl gazelle, guys, girl proper nails. Okay, a girl's gotta be maintained properly. You gotta look like you have your life together. You don't have to look as miserable as your problems, guys. I promise you. Just try to look put together. Even if you're not, you can't be 100%, but at least appear to be, Yes, if you are 100 steps ahead appearance-wise, you can do anything, I promise you. So yeah. Oh, when I tell you, we were chatting about so many things. It's always a great time with this one. And yeah, please give her Facebook page a like, and do check her out if you are ever around. Hey again, dolls. I'm done doing my nails. They look so good. I love them. Anyway, right now I'm heading back home. God, I have to wash my hair. And then tomorrow I'm going to do a renewal. I haven't figured out if I want to do a renewal or not, but that's what's up. So yeah, I'm driving right now. Yep, judge me all you like, but I'm focusing. So yeah, okay, catch all in a bit. I just got home and it's time for the tedious task. So these are the products that I use to wash my hair. So there's actually an entire video on how I wash my hair, so I'm not going to be sharing much here. So please do check it out. I'll put a card here for it. Morning dolls. Oh, when I tell you I'm tired. I hate waking up in the morning, guys. I'm heading to my hairdresser. I'm going to renew my locks. I've been debating whether I should do a new hairstyle or just renew this one. I can't think of what else am I going to be doing. So it should minimize thinking. I just figured let me just renew this one, right?